This video will probably crush all of your hopes and dreams of making a lot of money online. So I'm sorry for that. I apologize in advance, but I'm gonna be real. Like, what does it really take to build an online business? All right, if you don't know who I am, my name is Jack Bly. I've built a 7-figure online coaching business, my fitness coaching company. I just launched another one just under a year ago, and we hit about 65, 68K a month, somewhere in that range. I don't know the exact number, but I built these 2 online successful businesses. And I'm gonna tell you what it takes. It's not gonna be pretty. Like, I'm gonna tell you the bare bones truth in this video. Here's what it's all about. It is about sacrifice. All right, before you click off because of your short TikTok attention span, listen to this video. You're not gonna be successful if you can't pay attention for 10-minute video. Like, you're not gonna make it. Sacrifice. All right, for the first 16 months of my first online coaching business, the fitness business, profited $0. $0. Like, that's painful. And I was actually working hard. Like, I was actually working. Like, I'll go ahead. I'll flash up a photo of like the old like community study room in this old community college we used to go to, me and my business partner. And we would go there literally sun up to sundown. Like, we would work. I don't remember what we were working on. We obviously weren't moving the needle, but we would work and we would, abuse caffeine, like try and like work hard to make this thing happen. There was times where, we were like dabbling with like pay dad. We were trying to figure out how that works. And so we literally like drove 6 hours round trip to this one like cool location to film an ad because we thought it was a cool location and like grab more attention. So we literally drove 6 hours round trip to do this. And of course the ad, like it just lost its money. It didn't do anything. And so sacrifice, man, sacrifice. I remember in college, again, we were building up this business. I was probably 19, 20 at the time. And, I went to FSU, so Florida State University, pretty big school, football school, party school, whatever you want to call it. And it was, football season. And, they had an early like noon game and we were going to go and tailgate, right? Still want to have some fun in college, but we were building this business. And so sacrifice, what we did is we'd wake up early, like 4 or 5 a.m. before the tailgate, all that stuff happened. We would get our work in for the day because we decided like, no, we need to get the work in. I don't care if there's a tailgate. I don't care what's going on. We have to get the work in. We have to work on this business, man. Sacrifice. I remember another time, like this was probably, I was 20, going on 21 or so. I was moving out of my apartment. I lived with 3 roommates and I left my Xbox there. All right, I didn't take it with me. Another form of sacrifice. I used to play so many video games. It's just absurd. Like, it would just steal my focus and my energy. The thing is, like, I love video games. Like, they're a lot of fun. Like, I don't play them today, but they would be so much fun. Like they are. But it's just sacrifice, man. I gave it up. Even today, like, I'm still working hard. Like, I've built these businesses, but I'm still sacrificing. It's Saturday morning when I'm filming this. It's a weekend. It's the weekend when everyone's supposed to, take days off and relax. I woke up at 6 a.m. this morning, we're working. We're in the office filming videos. It's hard, man. Like, it takes a lot. It does take a lot. I mean, if you do want to just build a business of 10K per month, you can accomplish that in probably, a year, 2 years of really hard work and some sacrifice. And then you can kind of let off the brakes a little bit. But anytime you do want to grow, you want to be in a growing season, you have to sacrifice. Like, you have to give things up, man. It's going to be hard. Like, it's not going to be easy, man. Like, that's the main thing. Like, I see so many gurus trying to, obviously, like, they're selling their course, selling their program or whatever, but they don't keep it real. Like, they're too hard on the marketing. They're like, oh, get rich in 30 days, blah, blah, blah. Like, it works for everyone, blah, blah, blah. It's so easy, blah, blah, blah. Like, 5 hours a week, side hustle, you can make 20K a month. Like, all this BS. And it's like, it's just not real, man. It's just not real. Building a business is hard. Like, think of all these other careers, doctors, lawyers, like these big time careers. You got to school for what, like 6, 8, 10 years. I don't know the exact requirements. I don't know. I'm a college dropout. Or I dropped out of college, but I don't know the exact requirements. It's a long time. You have to study for a long period of time, many, many years, just so you can start your career. And even then, when you're starting out, you obviously have a lot of career advancement to go, and it all doesn't happen like instantly. These things take time, 10, 20 years to get to your peak. But with business, with online business, all these gurus make it seem like, oh, it's easy. It's easier than having a job. No, it's harder than having a job because you're running a business with multiple roles in it. So you have to be everyone. You have to skill up in so many different areas. You have to know the finances of the business. You have to know economics, how it works. You have to know marketing. You have to know sales. You have to know fulfillment. You have to know how to coach, like all these different skill sets, man. It's harder. If anything, it's harder. Sacrifice, man. Sacrifice. So many people want it. So many people don't want to sacrifice. Everyone wants to be wealthy. Everyone wants the freedom. Everyone wants the flexibility to take a week off. I can go on vacation, next week if I want. I can take the whole week off. No repercussions, no consequences. That's cool, right? It's a luxury I've earned to this day through sacrifice. Everyone wants this. Everyone wants the freedom. Everyone wants the money. Everyone wants the ability to live where you want, time, freedom, all this cool stuff, but no one wants to sacrifice. That's the trade you have to make. Hard truths in the video, I know I'm ranting, but if you really want this thing to happen, you had to sacrifice. So like ask yourself, like, what are you willing to give up to make these dreams a reality? All right, because you're either going to sacrifice these things in your life or you're going to sacrifice the dream. That's your choice. So I'm done. If you are a coach, you want to work one-on-one to scale your online coaching business at 10, 30K a month to your business, click the link below. We can chat. If not, no worries. You're amazing. And truly choose which of these two things you're going to sacrifice, the dream or the fun, like short-term pleasurable things. Choose right now. See you in the next one. Peace.